everyone, can you hear me? Yes? Hi. This is the last week for our DMD, okay? Everyone, please have your pencil and the blank paper ready, okay? Later, teacher Apple will tell you how to draw the diagram to solve queuing problem. You need to draw by yourself, and then you can get a better understanding to solve such question. And also, I want to mention that today the practice will be a bit more challenging than the last 2 weeks. So do remember to write down your workings clearly, okay? You need to show me how you figure out the answer and how you draw the diagram. Let's wait for another 2 minutes. We will start at 7 p.m. The last 1 minute. Hello, check your paper, pencil. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's start. The topic today is about the queuing problem, and this is a very popular topic in word problem module. And when it comes to word problem module, so everyone do remember that you need to read the question very carefully, because usually you will see that the question is super long, but actually after you highlight some keywords, you will find that the key information is very important, okay? So now let's have a look at example for you first. Pip is in line for the subway. Fill in the blanks according to the picture below. 1. Which one is the Pip counting from front? So everyone, could you please type your answer in the chat box? Where is Pip? From front. Which one? Which one? Yes, okay. So here you see that we just counted, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can get the Pip is the 6th one counting from front. Okay, and then how many people are there in front of Pip? Okay, again, think about it. How many people are there in front of Pip? Yes, good job. The second one, answer should be 5. So here you can see that though Pip is the same person here, and actually the picture is the same, but why do we have different answers for these two questions? Why the first one is 6, but the next one is 5? So here, pay attention to the two numbers here. That is 6 and 5. So actually when it comes to the numbers, basically there are two types of numbers. The first one is about the cardinal numbers, that is you just count. For example, 1 person, 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, you just count them one by one. And the second type is about the ordinal numbers. For ordinal numbers, that is you have to arrange them and you need to figure out their position, okay? So here you can see that there are some differences between the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. And for these two basic types of numbers, you must distinguish them very, very clearly. Okay? And then let's have a look. Here, for the key points. To tell one's position, we use ordinal number. And the person is included. For example, look, where is the cat? Where is the cat? You can say it is the sixth one. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see that the pet is included in these 6 animals, right? And then to tell how many are behind or in front, we use cardinal number. The person is not included. So here again, back to the picture, you can see how many dogs are there behind the pet here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So where is the pet? You see, the pet is not included in 4. Understand now? Okay, so this is the first key point. Ordinal number and cardinal number. Now, following this, let's move on to an example. Eddie is the 5th. Okay, so here please underline the keywords 5th. Counting from the front, there are 4 people behind Eddie. So how many people are there in the line? How can we solve out the question? Look, maybe you can try to think about it. Is Eddie included in 5 people here? What is the meaning of a 5th? This is an ordinal number, right? And also think about it. Is Eddie included in 4 people here? Think about it. I see some of you have different answers. 9, 10, 8. Okay, so here let's have a look. Eddie is the 5th one. So actually, how many people are there in front of Eddie? Look, there are only 4 because you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Eddie is the 5th one. And then how many people are there behind Eddie? Again, look, according to the question, we know there are 4 people. So in this way, all together, we have a 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is 9. Yes, understand now? Okay, so pay attention to the numbers here. 5th, ordinal number. For ordinal number, actually the main character, Eddie, is included in 5. And for cardinal number, 4, Eddie is not included in 4 people. Clear? Very easy, right? Okay, good job. So now let's move on to some challenging question. Okay, let's read the question together. Pip and his friends want to see a movie after school and they decide to go there by bus. Question 1. Pip and his friends are queuing at the bus station. There are 9 children in front of Pip and 8 children behind Pip. How many children are there in total? Can you have a try? Can you have a try? 9 children, 8 children. Think about it. Is Pip included in 9 or 8? Okay, good job. I see some of you already get the answer. Okay. And here Teacher Apple want to mention the workings. Okay. Now let's have a look. Firstly, you need to mark the direction. What is the meaning? Look, the question can tell you some people are in front, some of people are behind. So you need to label where is the front, where is behind, okay? So maybe Teacher Apple just like this. The left part refers to front, and then the right part refers to behind, okay? So after that, let's have a look. What should we do then? You need to draw the main character, okay? Everyone, if you have the pencil, try to draw with the Teacher Apple, okay? Take out your pencil. Draw the main character. So who is the main character here? Is it Teacher Apple? No. Pip, okay, you just draw a triangle. And after that, we try to draw some other characters. How many characters are there? Actually, you don't need to draw all of them. You can just draw it like a circle, and then dot, 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 okay, to refer the rest part. Some people are in front of Pip, some people are behind Pip. So here, we just divide them into 2 parts. And step 3, you need to mark numbers and calculate. There are 9 children in front of Pip. So actually you see that 9 is a cardinal number, right? That is, Pip is not included in 9. So we just label it as this. 9, 8. And what is the last step? You just calculate. You add all of them together. Can we just say, okay, the final answer is 9 plus 8. Okay, my answer is 17. Is it correct? No, okay? Because actually it should be 9 plus 8 plus 1. So who is this one? Actually, this one is P. Understand now? So we have 9 plus 8 plus 1 equals to 18. Yes, is it clear? Okay, good job. So now you see that again, when it comes to queuing problem, you must know how to draw the diagram. Okay, and the second one, again, people are lining up for movie tickets. Pip is the 5th one from the front and the 9th one from the back. So how many people are there in the line? Again, think about it. How many people are there in the line? Okay. So what is the first step? Try to mark the direction. Where is the front? Where is the back? Okay, again, let's label it front and back. Okay. And after that, okay, again, draw the main character. Who is the main character? It is Stu and Pip, right? We just draw it. And then we can divide the other characters into two parts. Some of them are in front of him and some of them are behind him. After this, what should we do? Just mark numbers and calculate. So here you see, look, pay attention to the detail here. Everyone, look, when you draw the brackets, actually 5 must include P. Why? Because you see that actually it is a 5th, right? This is an ordinal number. Ordinal number include the main character. Understand? Okay. And also here you see 9th, it is also an ordinal number. Ordinal numbers include the main character. So after that, again, can we say, okay, now according to the question, we know 5 plus 9 equals to 14. Is it correct? 5 plus 9 equals to 14. Is it correct? No, good job. Why? How can you figure out the 13? Look, because actually when you count 5 people, you already count P, right? And when you count 9 people, also you count P. So actually you count P twice. So in this way, you need to minus 1. Excellent. So actually, how can we build our equation? It should be 5 plus 9 and then minus 1 equals to 13. Okay, why do we need to minus 1 here? Look, because we count P twice. Okay, so we just minus 1. Understand now? Okay. So here you can see that this is about the working. Okay, this is about the working. Draw the direction, draw the main character, draw other characters, and mark numbers. After that, you can do your calculation. Okay? Yes, good job, Harry. I see 5 plus 9 minus 1. Okay, well done. The third part. After watching the movie, Pip rushes to the toilet. However, he has to wait in the queue. Now, there are 8 people in front of Pip. And counting from the back, Pip is the 10th. How many people are there in total? Can you try it? Yes. Again, we start from marking the direction. Mark the direction, we have a front and the back, and then yes, and then draw the main character, right? Okay. There are 8 people in front of P. 8 people in front of P. Okay, good job. So here again, everyone, please be more careful. 8 people, this 8 is a cardinal number, right? Cardinal number that is Pip is not included in 8 people. But Pip is the 10th one if we count from the back. So Pip is involved in 10 people. Understand? Okay, so here pay attention to the brackets here. For the 10 people part, you must include P. But for the 8 people part, you cannot include P. Okay, altogether, how many people are there? Is it 17? How many people? Yes, good job. It should be 18. Do we need to plus 1 or minus 1? Actually, no. Because now you see, according to the question, you can just divide the queue into 2 parts, right? The first one is 8 people, and the second one, here we have 10 people. So altogether, we have 18 people. Yes, understand now? I think it's easy for you, right? Okay, good job. So now everyone, it's time for you to do some practice. Also, you see, this is not about the queuing, but actually it is still a kind of queuing problem. Wonder Boy is running in a line. There are 4 people in front of him and 4 people behind him. How many people are there in his running line? Can you find it? I think maybe I just give you 20 seconds. How many people are there? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, so easy for you. Okay, good job. So now again, first thing you need to mark the direction. Okay, so maybe I just put a flag here to reference to the finish line. And then the main character, that is Wonder Boy. So 4 people in front of him, 4 people behind him. So altogether it should be 4 plus 4 equals to 8. No, do remember that you also need to plus the main character. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 9. Okay, easy. 9, it is not 8. Okay, you can see here we have 4, right? Here we have 4, here we have 4, but also in the middle, look at, don't forget this one. So actually it should be 9. Okay, good job. Yes. Okay, the second question. Children are lining up for some sweets. There are 11 children in front of Helen. Counting from the back, Helen is the 8th. How many children are there in total? Try it. 11 children in front of Helen. 11 is a cardinal number. Helen is the 8th. 8 is an ordinal number. Okay, think about it. Many? 18 or 19. Okay, everyone, be more careful. 18 or 19. Do we need to plus 1, minus 1? Think about it. Be more careful, okay? Is Helen included in 11 children? No, right? Because actually for 11, that is a cardinal number, okay? And then is Helen included in 8 children? Yes, because that is the 8th, okay? So now again, we need to draw the main character and the other characters. After that, do remember to label them, okay? Label the number. So you can see that for 11, 11 is not included. It's not including Helen. But after that, you see we have an 8. 8, you need to draw the brackets longer, okay? Helen is included in 8 people here. So altogether, we have 11 plus 8 equals to 19. Yes, good job. The correct answer is 19. Is that easy for you? Wow, who says 9? No, 19. Okay, 19. Yeah, so easy, right? Okay, next one. This one is a bit tricky. Again, let's read the question. Pip is in line at the grocery store to check out. He is right in the middle of the line. And the 13th, counting from the back. How many people are there in total? Okay, I give you maybe 40 seconds to think about it. He is right in the middle of the line. Right in the middle. So think about it. How many people are there on the left? How many people are there on the right? Try it. How many? Okay. Again, where should we start from? Just draw the main character, okay? And after that, from the back, again, do remember to label the direction, front and the back, okay? He is the 13th, counting from the back. So you see that altogether there are 13. So could you please tell me how many people are there in front of Pip? How many people are there? many people are there? Okay, good job. It should be 12, right? Why? Because he is the one right in the middle. So now you see actually behind him there are 12 people. So that is in front of him. Also, there are 12 people. Okay, so the last step. Altogether, we have 12 plus 13, which is 25. Okay, well done. The final answer is 25. Easy? Is it easy? Yes, well done. Okay. Also, I see some students just got 13 plus 13 minus 1, right? Also it is correct. Good job. Yeah, and also you can just add 12 and 13 to get 25. Okay, super good, everyone. Okay, one more. Some animals are lining up. Okay, counting from the front, the baby cow is the 7th in line. And counting from the back, he is the 4th in line. How many animals are there in total? Okay, think about it. Now, again, we have two numbers and both of them are ordinal numbers. Okay, be more careful. Try it. Nine, 10, 9. Again, different answer. I see 9, 10, 9, 10. Okay, so 9 or 10. Everyone, do remember to draw, okay? Draw the main character, draw some other characters, and then mark the number. Okay, be more careful. 11. Okay, now we have 3 different answers. We have 9, we have 10, we have 11. Okay, the last 10 seconds for you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's check together. We start from the main character, right? So we can get the baby cow. We just use the small triangle to represent the baby cow. Okay, he is the 7th in line, and counting from the back is the 4th in line. Okay, now let's have a look. 7th. That is actually the baby cow is included in this 7 animals, right? Because 7th is an ordinal number. And also, counting from the back, he is the 4th one. So that is for 4. Again, baby cow is included in these 4 animals. So after that, can we just say, okay, the answer is 7 plus 4 equals to 11. Is it correct? Is it correct? No. Why? Because here again, you see, when you count 7 animals, you already count the baby cow, right? And when you count 4th animals from the back, again, you count a baby cow. So in this way, actually, you count a baby cow twice. That is, you need to minus once. So in this way, we can get, So in this way, we can get, the answer should be 7 plus 4 and then minus 1. Okay, you need to minus 1. So what is the final answer? 7 plus 4 equals to 11. 11 minus 1 equals to 10. Okay, the answer should be 10. Yes, well done. I see most of you can figure out the 7 plus 4 minus 1. Okay, good job. So far, is that easy? Okay. And also here, Teacher Apple want to mention that sometimes you will see queuing problem like this. In a line of seats, okay, they are not queuing, but actually we'll see that the matter is the same. Addie's seat is the 6th from the left and the 4th from the right. So how many seats are there in total? How many seats are there in total? You see that? Ordinal number, so what should we do? Ordinal number, you need to minus the repeated ones, right? Okay, how many seats are there in total? 9, are you sure? 9 or 10? I see some of you got 10, some of you get 10, 9. Okay, any different answers? 9. Okay, now let's check. Okay, draw the main character. Okay, in this question, we already know that what is the direction? Direction is the left and the right. Okay, so then we just draw it the 6th and the 4th. We already know that the sixth is an ordinal number. So for ordinal number, you need to include the main character. And also for fourth, that is again, we need to include the main character. So after that, can we say, okay, 6 plus 4 equals to 10? Cannot. Again, you count the main character that is added. You can't add it twice. You must minus once, right? So we have 6 plus 4 equals to 10. And then 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Again, the final answer should be 9. Easy? Yes. Is it easy? Okay, good job. Do remember that, huh? Again, you need to read the question carefully. Is it cardinal number or ordinal number? And also, when you draw the brackets, you need to think about it. Do we need to include the main character? If the main character is repeated twice, you must minus 1. Understand now? Okay. So here, everyone, this is the end. Actually, we'll see that the queuing problem is not that difficult, right? Okay, and now teacher Apple is going to share some DMD questions with you. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.